I'm Cayman, and welcome to Animal Crossing. You're a balloon. There it is. Alright, so what I want to do today is... Ooh, 30,000 bells. I'll take that. I don't know what I want to do. I do know I need to make placemats for Thanksgiving. I know I need iron for that, so luckily I have the iron. Or at least I have some iron. I don't know why the Thanksgiving DIYs aren't showing up. Or I should say Turkey Day. Come on. I know they're here. Here we go. We need clay and iron, okay? I don't have much iron, but good for clay. I just gotta make 8 of these, so I need more gold actually, and iron. One. Cool. This is number 7. I don't know what that accent noise is now. And number 8. Put the rest of the materials up. I have 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go, I didn't make 8. I only made 7. And I need more clay. Do it. Yep. Oh shoot, I didn't mean to hit that button. Now I put up everything else. put another table in here and have enough for everybody on the island. Or have enough room for everybody on the island, I mean. Another table and another 4-place setting. Another 4 chairs. I'm pretty sure I have the wood. This whole area looks a little empty. Since I'm going to make another table, I'm going to scoot this one over a smidge. Alright, scooting. Chairs back. No, get up. I love watching my villagers interact with this stuff. There we go. And now this side. Raymond. Have fun enjoying the flowers. I think I need all of the wood. I've got plenty of wood, so wood's not an issue. Just need iron nuggets, really. And gold. No, not an empty can. I can do something with those. one table. One. Two. Three. And four. Alright. And four more place settings. Two. Three. And four. I want the table to go right here. Perfect. Now let me put down the place settings. There we go. And now the chairs. There we go. Really feeling like Thanksgiving. Yeah, we need a kitty table. And this needs to go somewhere else. Oh, wait, hold on. Mush lamp, do I have that? No, I don't. I'm not doing anything with the mushroom series because I don't like mushrooms. But I just want to have all the DIYs. Wait, hold on. I mean, I've got a good chunk of the DIYs. I don't have all of them. Okay, let me put up my crafting materials. Hi, Anka. Hey, Mitch. I'm gonna put that fence back. Yeah, I jaywalked. But it's my town, so I don't care. this juice over here. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Alright, put the juice back. There we go. Needs to look a little bit more buffet-ish. Maybe I move this over here as a decoration. My family Thanksgiving is a buffet. Having tables. I like the sloppy table, but I don't want the sloppy table. And the wedding table doesn't really go either. And neither do the desks. But the outdoor bench might. Let's see how that looks. It's a little low. Nah, not gonna work. Alright, what do I have in my craftables? How big is that? Because it says I have one in storage. And something skinny. That's the problem. I think this is it. Yeah, it's not too big. Alright, back to drawing board. Project table. I need 10 wood. And I've not made it before. I hear a balloon. Be something I need or want. Meh. Alright, wood. I need 10 wood. Got to do something with all of these DIYs. I need somebody to visit my island and learn the DIYs I have up by my airport. Alright, project table. I like it. Probably fit 2 of these over here. Maybe. If I get rid of that. Excuse me, Raymond. They look like customized. I'll worry about that later. I probably could fit this here. Nope, not gonna let me. Yeah, it's been a pain in the butt. But I can put that back. There we go. And now I can put food on top of these tables. Thought there was something on my leg, there's not. Good job, Raven. Keep on sleeping. Now, do I have any food? That's the question. I've got 4 slots. I got like hardly anything in the way of food. Well, I guess I need to start cooking. Alright, I need... I'm not making that. Not making quiche. What bread? I need flour. Which I do not have, I think. Ooh, maybe a pizza. Flour and tomato. Alright, I need flour, which means I need wheat. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some tomatoes. Oh, that one didn't get watered. Here we go. Have you ever had pizza on Thanksgiving? Because I'm not sure if I ever have or not, but maybe Fauna, what are you thinking about? You better stop thinking about something. Alright, I need flour. I'm gonna make some more flour. And while I'm at it, I might as well make some whole wheat flour. There we go. I can no longer make flour. Oh, I can make a tomato bagel sandwich. Not doing that. I'll make that. That looks interesting. I want to make the bread. There we go. And I want to make pizza. And one more thing. This looks fine. There we go. All done for now. I should have 4 things. Yep. 4 slots. No, I don't want to show it off. I wanted to place. Here we go. Placed. Place. I hear another balloon. I want to put that on the end. There we go. A very unconventional Thanksgiving. Right, where is the balloon? It's over there. Got it. Oh, it's one of those do-chickers. Okay. I'm gonna put stiff up. I'll keep that because, doesn't hurt. Alright, was there anything else I wanted to keep? Oh yeah, the wooden table. And of course the wood. this stuff I can sell. Here you go, boys. What's this? Looks good. Yeah, so I'll take one. I don't know if I'll need it, but I'll take it. Alrighty. Well, I didn't do much, but I like what I did do. So, I'll see you next time. Bye!